Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund a buyer on Depop, including full or partial refunds. So first of all, you just have to come here on depop.com, or you need to open your Depop application, then simply sign in into your account. Now over here, when you click on this particular inbox icon, you are going to see a bunch of different options over here. So among these options, you just have to simply select the option of a refund sale. Then when you are inside, you are going to basically need to select whether you want to issue a full refund or a partial refund. So you need to simply just enter the amount. If you are making a partial refund, then review your details and confirm the refund. Now with the full refund, the buyer receives their entire payment back via their original payment method. So with the partial refund, the buyer keeps the item and receives only the amount that you have agreed to refund. Now, if you don't have enough money in your Depop balance to cover the refund, Depop can charge your connected top-up card for the remaining amount. If your buyer paid via PayPal, you can process the refund directly through the PayPal account instead. So after you have completed the full refund, you can request your applicable Depop fee refund separately. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.